Hi there! So today I thought I'd actually do a bit of recording on how I actually plan to build this large quilt on my domestic machine. So I'm actually getting ready to it, but I thought I'd just do this quick recording for you. So I have actually shown you that my table was messy after working on all of the project at the same time. So I cleaned it all up and made sure that I have a space to put my quilts in, to put my quilts on, and that's next to my sewing machine. So basically, I have a space here. You have one table here, another one table just right there. You just kind of put all the weights of the book onto the table. So I have already got my spring slider in. I've already made a couple of bobbins just to make sure that I don't end up running out of them. And I've already retread my machine, changed the needle, and also put my free motion quilting foot on. So I'm going to be doing an all-over quilting for this quilt. What I'm going to do now is actually bring the quilt, bring it to the center, because I'm going to be starting from the center out. So if you want to know how I actually do this, I've already made a blog post which details out how I move for large quilts. So basically, I'm going to quilt in quarters. So I'm going to be starting from the center in. You turn on the machine. I'm going to be wearing my glove, and I am going to start quilting. So this is the center part. So if you divide this in quarter, basically I'm going to go and cover this area first. So I'm going to go this way instead of pulling it this way. So basically, when I'm moving, I can actually see the free motion quilting that I'm actually doing. So this is how I normally do it. So I would do this first quarter first, and then I'm going to turn this quilt around and then do the other quarter this way. So I'm going to get quilting. I'm going to probably show you in fast forward at some point. So I'm not going to be talking much. But basically, I have an all over design for this quilt, and I just want to kind of like do an all over quilting for once. I always do custom quilting, but for this quilt, I think an all over quilting should be better. And I really want a quick finish as well. All right. So let's get started. Right. So I am looking at this area here, it's not being covered. So I am moving this way towards there, but I wanted to cover this area as well as we go. So I wanted to cover like an area I've told you inside the blog post. So basically I want to cover in a triangle area and trying to do that all the way up here as well. Now, I wouldn't recommend really going backwards, do it this way, because that will kind of create that kind of puffy things. But I'm just doing it really minimal, making sure that I still have areas here to kind of ease it out. So if you feel like it's hard to do that, you can actually just continue from the start here and kind of go forward from the side here as well. So you can just restart where you start at the beginning here, and then kind of like start doing that instead. But I am just going to try and do this as continuously as possible. Basically, what I want to try to say is that you need to kind of have an idea where you're covering and where are you going. So you are guiding yourself, knowing which area you should be covering as you go. So I am almost already at the end of this quarter. So basically I have a little bit more here, which is like in a triangle shape as well, because I've been doing it diagonally like this, trying to cover it up. So I'm just going to be sharing with you a little bit at the end, just to show you how I actually work with the edges.
again, even at the end, I would try to actually work from inward to outside rather than working all the way here and leaving this space unquilted, because that's going to leave that kind of puff. So I'm trying to cover this all the area from the quilted area to the non-quilted area. So that's why I'm actually moving this diagonally, trying to cover this up over here and then moving up along that way. You can see I'm not wearing my glove. I'm not wearing my glove because I'm already at the edge and this thing's smooth enough for me to actually move around with it. So that's why I love this Supreme slider. But sometimes I don't need a glove for it. That's almost done. I'm gonna get it quickly and do that. And then ta-da! So that's done for this first quarter. So that's done for the first quarter. So basically now what I'm going to do is actually turn this over. I'm going to turn it like that. Bring it back to the center. And I'm going to start again where I started. So I basically started there and I left the string uncut because I want to come back to it. So basically I'm just going to continue there and I'm going to finish this quarter. And then that's going to go around in clockwise motion until I finish the whole quilt.